up guys, welcome to another video Hood Stick. Today we've got the E36 out and we've actually got the bonnet open, if it does open. Finally, look at that. I know there's a lot of dirt on the car. I know it hasn't been properly cleaned out and stuff. Still cobwebs everywhere. But she's purring, that's what matters. We're gonna take it a few pulls here and there, but most importantly is just to see if the car drives fine. But I've been waiting a long time for this, so let's take it for a spin. It might sound a bit different with the roof off, but you know, I just thought let's feel the full experience with the roof off, because that's what it's all about, right? Whoa. Car drives nice. Look at this. Whoa, whoa. This is fun. You know what that means? Whoa, straight six. Wow, yeah, that sounds sick. So anyway, let's get to the spec. So this is a straight six inline engine that's producing over 190 brake horsepower, 2.8 litre. It's the biggest engines in the 3 Series, BMW 3 Series, not the M3, just the 3 Series. You've got the 325, 323, 320s, 318s, but this is the daddies of all, the 328i. It's not the M Sport. M Sport comes with extra kits and the M Sport badges everywhere and basically looks like an M3 replica, but obviously this is just the one below. But you know, it's still got the same engine, M52 engine that has that power and that torque. So the reason why I got this car, like I said in a previous video when we bought this car, is because I've always liked BMW, and for the drive, like it's just so raw and like just the way it goes, like when you put down, like it just handles so well. Like, that's what I like about these cars. Like you can beat on them and they love it. You can chuck it into corners and it feels comfortable. I mean, don't get me wrong, it needs coilovers. It does need mods on the car to make it drive better. But in the stock form, you can see why this car was the way it is. It's proper edgy, it feels raw, and that's what classic cars are about, right? Why we wanted this car is because it's a classic, it's raw, it's convertible, it's rear-wheel drive, it's fun to drive. We decided to park up. You know what, it's just too windy, so we're still gonna see if this convertible works on the. Okay, it's going. There's a lot of mess all over the roof, but it's going, it's working. Going down, it's going down. Yes, we did it. Touchdown. Oh god. Mayday, 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 mayday. Did it go in? Alright, let's try that again. There we go. Still running fine. The web is still there. So yeah, it looks like it's been really looked after in the previous owner. We do have a lot of service history that came with the car. Okay, let's do a bit of sound check. Whoa, yeah, no, go. Porsche turbo race car. The sound of it. Very small. Sounds crazy. Look how loud it is. 3.3 litre turbo. So what's it pushing in terms of power? 400 brakes. Wow. By the way. You're right. You saying go. Driving, man, just driving. See, I enjoy driving, bro. Is that standard? Nah, go. Okay, fair enough, the CPU was going off slowly, I was in the wrong gear. No excuses, but that's 252 brake horsepower with a turbo. This is only 197 brake horsepower, 200 brake horsepower, and this actually keeps up with the Subaru, which is absolutely phenomenal. It just gets better and better, like just the way like in the bends and the roundabout, it's just so casual when you drive it, like it just wants to just come out, but it's just absolutely amazing. Oh, look at that sunset. Alhamdulillah, ain't that beautiful? Driving into the sunset with the hardtop in a classic car. Jeremy Clarkson would like that. Yeet. Yeet. But basically, there should be a beautiful tunnel so we can hear the sound of the straight 6-cylinder BMW. I need to ride the diff. Guys, that was sick. Whoa. Okay. Now that was pretty sick. This car is just so alive. Like, right now, before I end the video, you have to tell me now, guys, do I keep it or do I sell it? Do I keep it stock as an investment or do I modify that, like make this into the craziest drift car ever? But let me know in the comment section. We have to make choices because there's many more projects to come on the channel. As usual, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace, salute.